By this video, we're starting to discuss a novel approach for stochastic measurement. Measurement of stochastics has significantly different requirements from litho, etch, metro, loop. Imposing restrictions mainly to acquisition needed to be extremely fast, but on measurements too, noise resistance, fast calculation. Stochastic measurement is, simply speaking, in between CD metrology and defect metrology domains. In order to cut in half measurement time, we need to reduce not just some steps from the flow, but create new concept for measurement, build for speed, and juggling as less operations as possible. Just let's remember that we are measuring noisy edges. So is it possible to create DL network to detect just edges with noise suppression capability? We trained simple DL network with 42K parameters capable to detect secondary electron edge only. Let's observe quality of edge detection. It's quite impressive. In next posts, we will discuss quality of edge detection, flexibility, and most important, operation speed for detection. Thank you for attention.